Good day, everyone. My name is Olumide Adetuwa, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sety, an emergency response platform and security tech company that's been existing since 2020. I'm launching a product called Intel, and I'll be giving you like a walkthrough video of what this platform is and what this platform is for. Intel is a platform built for residential apartments, estates, businesses in Lagos and in Nigeria, and we plan to ensure and automate the entire process of access control, ensuring that you know who gets into your organization, who gets into your estates, and also giving you intel on the background of this any individual that's trying to be allowed into your platform, into your organization. So the first thing you see when you log into the dashboard is this very intuitive view with a lot of the key performance metrics that you could just see at a glance and get a broad view of what's going on within your organization. And without taking too much of your time, I'll just go straight to the access control module. We have a mobile application for users as well as a mobile application for security agents. And I'll be giving a walkthrough on how the other applications work after this video. However, for the sake of this particular walkthrough, we'll be doing using just this dashboard for generating the access code and also validating guests that are coming into the organization. So I'll be creating an access code right now, and I'll be getting an email shortly after the access code is created. While we're waiting for the emails to get into my device, I'll just give a walkthrough about what the access logs is for. So this is ideally the users that are currently within the organization and haven't been checked out of an organization. And once you get checked out, your the logs the log is taken out as it's only users that are checked in that you see. Now the code has gotten into my phone, and I'll be simulating how the experience is supposed to work when a user gets to the organization and has to provide the security code to be let into the organization. So once I'm validated into the organization, you see that the access code or security code is valid. However, if you scroll down, you can actually see a little bit of security assessments, and this is where we differ from a lot of the other platforms that we have on the market, the intel that we're able to provide, and the assessment that we're able to give. Now, you security details can actually get this data and actually understand that this user has been flagged. The reason why I'm a critical risk to this platform is because I've been blacklisted by another organization, and it just stays on my record. So now you just know how best to like move around, because you can see that I've been blacklisted for suspicious activities. Now the estate can decide to use that data to just add a little bit of security to the platform. On the incidents, I'll be going through this real quick. This is data that's coming from the user's app. So whenever they create like an access incident or the SOS panic button, it comes here for organization. It also comes to us as SETI to help, and then also goes blasted to their circle. Other threats, anytime there is a suspicious guest in an organization, there's a threat alert that is being created. Now, this threat alert comes with different or varies of severity. It could be mild, it could be serious, it could be critical, like it is right now. If you want to discard the threats, you just click on one of the actions, and it gets discarded quickly. Then on the blacklist is where you see the users that have been blacklisted within an organization or within a network. Under management, we've created a very simple and intuitive way to onboard users to the platform. All you need to do is click on invite members, and you can invite them as normal members or security agents or admins. You just provide their email addresses, and then everyone who gets invited gets an email. They create an account, and they're automatically added. You can also upload a CSV file, and this is also going to do the same thing. Now, we are able to also see pending invitation. These are users that have been invited but have no accounts yet. You can actually just send emails to them, or cancel the invitation when you want to. And then you're also able to suspend users. And I just go through the flow of viewing users' details, and you can see the profile details of a user, and then all the data assigned to the user, all the activities carried out by the user. For visitors, we are able to provide more enriched data, giving risk level, number of visits, the total number, last visits, information like that that you probably not get. And if a visitor directly from here, you can actually report a visitor as a security threat, and it stays on the record. Or you can blacklist a visitor from your organization, or you can blacklist them on a global network. This stays on the record, but if you want to provide maybe an expiration date. This user has been trespassed from this organization for the next 1 year. You can provide the expiration date and it stays in the record for the next 1 year. Just as you can also see members' details, you can also see visitors' details, the number of um times they visited the organization, the visit history and data that's, the risk factors that's, stayed on the record. For intelligence, under reports, the generating reports for you daily, and you can use these reports to, provide better security insights to your organization. And under network intelligence, we are able to, give a little bit of insights based on the number of incidents we created of, performed over the years. You're building like a network using AI to provide like high risk zones within your city, and more insightful data that could help, keep everybody safe. And that's pretty much what we have right now with SETI. I don't want to take too much of your time. Back to the dashboard. We have a mobile application that I'll be demoing next, just so you can just understand, user friendly it is. We also have mobile application for security agents, and we're going to be adding more functionalities to the platform. We're getting to, explore new product areas to ensure that, we're giving you as much value as you can possibly get. So I really appreciate you for taking this time to join me in this walkthrough, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye.